This is a quick troubleshooting tutorial in regards to some of the questions that you guys have emailed me. So the first question, the largest question, has been, I'm having issue finding the audio record button using the online version of PowerPoint. So here's the actual version of PowerPoint that's downloaded to a computer, and when you click on Insert and you go to Audio, the audio record option is there. However, if you are using the Office 365 version, then you don't have that. So let's take a look at how that works. You'll type in Office 365 or Office 365 into Google, and it'll take you to this sign-in page, and you're using your login information, the @mypolkschools. It's the same login information that would get you onto any school computer. So that dialog box would be here. You would put in your password, username and password, and all that good stuff. Because I'm already logged in, mine just comes up, and it'll take us to the Microsoft page. So this is the page that you guys should see, and it'll give you a little something like this, and it'll give you the ability to select all of the apps. So you can click on PowerPoint, and just for sake of argument, we'll start a new blank presentation. But what happens is the PowerPoint online is a watered down version of what you see in the actual PowerPoint version. So it doesn't have that ability to add audio. So here's the workaround for that. Go ahead and go back to the home screen here. And you'll notice the Install Office Apps. So what you're going to do is you're going to install Microsoft Office 2016 onto your computer. So that install is good for, I believe, about a year, and you have access to all of the Microsoft Office suite. So when you do that and when the download happens, then you'll actually get the real version of PowerPoint that will have the record audio option. The other issue that people have had is some people have had issues in transitions between different slides. So whenever you create a normal PowerPoint slide, and even if you're using the template that I gave you, if you go over that 20-second mark in terms of audio recording, sometimes the slide will not shift. And if you're not using the template, the slides are not set to automatically shift. So how you do that is you go to Transitions, and the box will come up. You've selected a slide. The box will come up, and it'll say, how do you want to transition between slides? So over here, it has the advanced slide, and normally you want it on mouse click. That way, you're scrolling through the presentation as normal. But what you want to do is click After, and then put your 20-second mark there. That way, after 20 seconds, and make sure it's removed on the mouse click. That's a big one. Make sure mouse click is gone. So once you put it to after 20 seconds, this slide will move automatically after 20 seconds. If you have any other questions, you can go ahead and email me. Thanks.